Oh! Yeah, try that. I'm gonna try not to swear in this video. Everybody good?
We have the lights, cameras. Are we rolling?
Clapper.
Quiet on set. Alberto.
All right, guys, I am here with the RipTide R1 skateboard. This board is belt driven. It goes about 20 miles per hour. And yeah, it feels very much like snowboarding. If you haven't experienced one of these things, you definitely should try it. A little bit about this board, when I did the unboxing. First of all, it came with 2 battery lights. The battery lasts about 7-8 miles. Definitely over a half hour of riding, so it's got plenty of juice for you to enjoy an afternoon for a good half hour, getting you from point A to point B if you wanted to use it for that. But overall, super durable board, very sturdy. Battery lasts a good solid amount of time, and then because it's belt driven, it's actually really beefy. It's got a lot of torque, so it picks up speed very fast. And then let's talk real quick about the remote. This is the remote. It's plasticky, but pretty easy to figure out. The very bottom of the remote is how you turn it on. When you turn it on, you'll see the LED light indicators showing you how long the battery life in this lasts. The remote's got forward and back, and then forward and brake. Overall experience with the board, it is pretty torquey, very fun to ride. I have ridden faster boards. The deck is pretty solid. There's no flex in the board itself. The most unique thing when you compare this board to a boosted board or the Evolve board, it doesn't have a very flexible deck, but this kicktail is actually very nostalgic to me because it reminds me of the Back to the Future skateboards that I used to ride as a kid, where you actually can flip the tail up and then turn it in a direction that you want to go. So it's actually easier to maneuver compared to the longboard style electric skateboards, but it's still very, very much the same feel. So if you have ever been snowboarding, that is the thing that I can most compare the feeling of riding one of these things. On the my friend's Evolve board right now, leaving Baldwin Park. I have no idea where he is. So we're gonna just drop off this electric skateboard and then call it a day. Rode, I think, 2 or 3 different boards today, and it's just definitely something I recommend, and it's just like snowboarding. It is so much like snowboarding. So since I live in Florida, since I actually wanted to quit my job and hang out with my dad more, I got this board so that I could engage him just a little bit more while I had a creative way to film. All right, so for those of you who don't know me very well, my name's Alberto William Tejeda, and I take care of my father, and I have a lot of support from my family members. Love this guy so much. I actually got this skateboard for the silly reason of chasing the dream of not having to work that 9 to 5, being able to have fun, being able to engage my father, and being able to tell stories. So that's what I'm working on, and I'm more than happy to work with you to help you to tell your stories. I do everything from documentary filmmaking to personal life events. Whatever it is that you're looking for, I can most likely handle it or find the crew that can help me take on whatever project you're working on. I hope you like this unboxing, but more importantly, I hope you like my stories and love my dad, because we are trying to show people that you can spend your time, but you don't have to necessarily put your parents in a home. Like, you shouldn't encourage that. You should try your hardest to serve your family and then serve others. So thank you for watching. Quick end of this video, update on the RipTide. Pros of the board. It is pretty torquey. It's 20 miles per hour. It's very good for first-time users. I've ridden other boards like Evolve and the boosted boards. They're comparatively, you know, some of those boards are faster. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video. I really enjoy the board. It really helps me to engage my father, which is the most important thing. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up, share it, or leave a comment. I appreciate all and any feedback. Thanks for watching. Peace. Yeah, let's get out of here, man. We worked hard. Come on. You ready? You did so good, man. I love you. Alright, cool. Let's get out of here, man. Let's go. I need to get you non-sunglasses glasses. Yeah, close them all. Hold that. No what? Here, come here, man. Let's go. Love you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. I do not condone drinking and skateboarding, so just FYI.